Welcome to this video. Today I am going to showcase a complete job portal system that I have built using Spring Boot and PostgreSQL. This is a fully functional end-to-end project where applicants can search and apply for jobs, and employers can post job openings and manage applications. And everything is handled using role-based authentication and clean backend logic. Let me walk you through the entire system step by step. So this is the home page of the system. It's simple and minimal, which is intentional because I've mainly focused on backend functionality, authentication, and data flow. From here, users can browse jobs, log in, or register. Now let me show you how registration works. The registers, they provide their username, email, password, their personal details like full name, phone number, skills, experience, and importantly, they choose their role, either applicant or employer. This role selection is very important because the entire dashboard and access permissions depend on this. Not everything here is stored securely in PostgreSQL using JPA entities. Login page is connected with Spring Security. So the system performs authentication using username and password. Once logged in, Spring Security automatically identifies the user's role and redirects them to their respective dashboard, applicant or employer. So now I'm logged in as an applicant. Here you can see the full user profile section. All this information, username, email, skills, experience, total applications, everything is fetched directly from the database below. That is the My Application section where the applicant can see which jobs they applied to, date of application, resume link, and current status, pending, accepted, rejected. This is fully dynamic and updates instantly whenever an employer changes the status. Next, let's browse all job openings. This page displays a list of all available jobs in the system. Job title, location, salary, employer name, and job status. These jobs are fetched from the database through the job repository. If the user wants to apply for any job, they simply paste their resume link and click apply. Is the user logged in? Is the user an applicant? Has the user already applied for this job? There's also a dedicated page where applicants can view all their job applications together. Instead of mixing it with the dashboard, this page helps when applicants want to track their job application history separate. The employer side, when an employer logs in, they see options to post new jobs and manage existing job listings. This is a job posting form where the employer enters the job title, description, salary, and location. When they submit this form, the job is linked to the logged in employer and stored in PostgreSQL. Employer opens a job, they post it, they can see all the applicants who applied. For each application, the employer can view applicant's username, resume link, date of application, and the current status. The employer can then accept or reject the application. Really useful part of this project is that when employers change the status to accepted or rejected, the update is saved in the backend and instantly visible on the applicant's dashboard and also visible on their My Applications page. This creates a complete real workflow, just like real job portals. Here's the stack I've used to build the system. Spring Boot main framework, Spring Security Authentication and Authorization, Spring Data, JPA database operations, PostgreSQL relational database, Themelive server-side rendering, REST controllers, plus MVC controllers, clean separation, entity relationships. one-to-many and many-to-one for jobs and applications. The focus throughout the project has been writing clean backend logic, secure authentication, and smooth data flow between users, jobs, and applications. That was the complete walkthrough of my job portal system. It includes user authentication, role-based dashboards, job posting, job applications, and real-time status updates, everything integrated and working together. If you want a detailed breakdown of backend code or architecture, feel free to comment and I'll create a separate video for it. Thanks for watching.